guys! Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to massage my mommy. My mommy said when I massage her, then she will buy me this for kids. Okay, let's open it up. Here it is. And let's open it up. Whoa, but we have that full now, and then it was so old. We used this. And then we'll open it. Take it off. Look, we already charged.
Charge, you already charged?
Yeah.
And then which one you're going to use?
My daddy just said this one. Okay. Well, we just use this and then put in and look.
Okay, show to them how you're gonna use it. Go. You off muna. Okay.
First you have to put this inside and then do like this. Twist it. And then use the on button. On and
Yeah,
then
there's
here.
another one. See, there is a round.
I'll show you what does it look like.
You have to off first
Here
before
it
you
is.
put.
Like this.
Okay, you off and then before you put.
Here it is. This one. The ball.
Okay.
Oh! Ay, ay, ay!
And then there's one like this.
And then like this, and then this pointy. I'll just see what is this pointy for. It'll look like a drill.
Yeah.
It's not going to fit.
You have to stop before you fit that one. Okay, now you massage me na. You put this one.
And now we're just going to put this one. But wait, we didn't do the other ones. This is the last one. And we're going to put it. And see how it feels. We did. Now let's check. Wow, look at my hand.
Yeah. Okay. Now you start massaging me.
Let's see. Like just drilling.
Okay, go.
Like I'm just getting out there.
In my arm. So I have a pain in my arm.
Okay,
go.
now we're just going to... Okay, here. It's just like grabbing stuff.
Okay, go. You start
And
na.
then... Let's 3, 2, 1. How... Still on?
Yeah. More. Okay, that's enough. Yeah. Show them how you do it.
See how I do it? Look. So heavy.
It's too heavy. Okay, you do like this. It's nice. So relaxing.
And we have to remove this and then let's see if it's not relaxing or relaxing.
It's not relaxing if you remove that. Okay, go massage.
Hi guys! I will continue massage mama. Bye!